Assalamu alaikum, this is Manan Arshad with Floor Planet and hope you guys are doing great. So there are some different very basic questions that we need to address, because if we are not addressing those issues will be keep happening and our people, our sellers will be keep losing money and keep burning money, which isn't good for anyone. So I thought we should do it and we are going to do it now. So the first one, when we are going to research a product, when we are going to thinking that this is a product we will sell on Amazon, we need to think about it that if we sell the same product like other sellers, our price will be determined by the sellers who are already in the market. If they decrease down the price, we have to decrease the price. If we are not decreasing the price, honestly, we will see the lower sale, we will see the better or the bad ranks, which is why that the lower price will get the better more sales than yours high price. So your price will be determined by the market. The first point. Second is, when you are selling the same product, there are chances that your sales will be divided with other sellers. So there are chances that you will be end up suffering, will be end up losing a lot of money. So what I normally recommend, when you are going to source your product, when you are going to sell any product, you are thinking that this is a potential product can make you hundreds and thousands of dollars on Amazon, I would recommend you to see there if there's any plus point for you, because if there's any plus point for you, you are going to be rock, and if it's not, you are going to lose. So I normally recommend to look into that point, see what kind of a plus points you have over your competitors. Second point, don't go for the 100% same product, because normally it happens when you are going to going to sell the same product like your competitors. What happens? The problem has already been told: the high bids, lower prices, same product. So the point should be discussed about when you are going to source, when you are thinking that this product will be your product to on Amazon. When you are selling, you have to change. The design can be changed, the color can be changed, the size can be changed, the options, the features, anything you can change to differentiate, so that you can be the one in your race. No more same sellers like yours product in the market, and you will get a lot of sales and you will not be competing with the price and all those stuff. First issue that I have seen, we will go in deep for those steps one by one after in another video, but in this video we are just covering the basic points. The second point, I have seen that normally when we are going to write a listing, we think that okay, we have to save $200-300 for that listing and we'll do it ourselves. When we are doing ourselves, we have seen that we really don't know about the keywords. We don't know about the keyword hunting, we don't know the keyword placement, we don't know how to rank and what is the priority by Amazon for those keyword placements. So I normally recommend, if you can do it, if you really knew the stuff, awesome. And if you really don't know that, I would not recommend you to do it. Go find someone else who is good in that thing, who has done more than you in the field, and ask them to help you in that specific niche. Third, images. Images are playing the crucial role on Amazon. So if your image isn't good, and if your image's quality isn't good, they are not conveying the message, they are not conveying the story, or they are not putting the pitch properly in front of the customer, they are not going to get you the sales. That's what happened with the other sellers. When you are using one or two images, they are not telling any story, they are not conveying the detail of your product, because this is what a physical product should look like in your images, as it has to look like in the real. Because on Amazon they have only access to the images on the title, the bullets and the description. So you have to put everything here, you have to convey, you have to give them a feel so that they can get the idea what exactly your product is. So keep testing images and don't try to do everything on yourself, because when you do, if first you are not testing things, second if you do things, you really don't know what kind of images are working on Amazon and what kind of images are not. So you first try, test and ask and go for the suggestions, and keep optimizing all the time. And after that, the PPC is the most money burning thing on Amazon, because when you are on Amazon, you will see that the only thing that costs you hundreds and thousands of dollars easily, which is PPC. So if you are not using that properly, you will lose a lot of money and you will be end up suffering, which is really bad, and we don't want you to do that. If you are doing a PPC, better learn. Don't go for the simple auto campaign and go for the manual campaign, and after that you are checking those campaigns after months and months, and sorry for that, you will be losing a lot of money. So I would recommend you to don't do it. Follow the steps, learn from the videos. Don't try to follow everything, don't try to do everything do yourself. Keep asking questions. That's why the Facebook groups exist. That's why there are 100,000 groups on everywhere, and the people who are experienced and not. So better find them, ask them questions, learn, understand, and use your common sense. Hope you will find it helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.